If you are traveling with children in a rental car, then the following tips will help you. Tip 1. Children love food, so it is best to have a seemingly endless supply of snacks for them to enjoy in the hire car. Ensure you have cleaning wipes on hand in case there's a spill. Water is also suggested, as kids may become thirsty whilst on long trips. Tip 2. Organize games for the whole family to enjoy whilst in the car rental. Kids will generally be more attentive if parents participate. You will also have fun memories of the car games that your family enjoyed together. Tip 3. If you are not familiar with the area and you have booked a car hire, do some research to find the local shops and also the petrol stations. You can then arrange your stopovers based on the information that you obtain. Tip 4. Ensure you have booked the best size car rental for your family. Kids enjoy personal space, especially when they are tired. Although you may save some money by booking a small car rental, it is best to go with something that will be comfortable for the whole family. Tip 5. Try your best to arrange a flexible schedule. Driving a rental car in unfamiliar territory may be difficult. It is also important to remember that kids may become sick or even require more stops than expected. If you follow these tips, you will be on your way to having an enjoyable driving experience. Car rental companies often provide a large range of hire cars. Enhance your family holiday by choosing the best rental car to suit your family.